President of the Jamaica Football Federation, Michael Ricketts, is still finding it hard to believe that the national under-23 team was unable to win a game in the preliminary round of the Olympic qualifiers, which were held at the Tony Spalding Sports Complex. The failure means the country will have to wait longer if they are to see Jamaica contesting the football competition at the Olympic level.
To say I'm disappointed is certainly an understatement, because I really think that we have real quality players, and for us to have drawn with Dominica and again draw with it is indeed extremely disappointing.
The Jamaicans were held to a 1-1 draw by Dominica in their opening encounter, and it was a similar result against St. Kitts and Nevis on Sunday in what was a must-win game if they were to advance to the next round. As for the tenure of coach Donovan Duckey, Ricketts says that will be decided after the Pan Am Games, where the team will be taking part.
As soon as they are back, the technical staff will be meeting with us, and certainly we'll have a fulsome discussion, and a report ought to be tendered, and then we'll certainly have an idea of exactly what was the thought process of the technical staff and what really went wrong.